This is an automatic popcorn plastic concealing machine for snack food packaging. The machine automatically seals plastic cans with stable and reliable performance. It is suitable for popcorn, snacks, nuts, and other dry food products. Next is the double-head plastic jar screw capping machine. Two capping heads improve production speed and ensure accurate cap tightening. The machine provides stable sealing performance for plastic food containers. The optical laser printing machine marks product information clearly and accurately. It helps manufacturers achieve efficient product identification and traceability. This automatic round can body labeling machine applies labels accurately. It creates a professional appearance for packaged products. The automatic cap top side labeling machine completes the final labeling process. It applies labels on the cap top and sides with high precision. The complete packaging line improves efficiency for popcorn and snack food manufacturers. Complete automatic packaging solutions for global food production factories.